Hey guys, here we are at the next job. We got a deck and a boat dock to do and a fire pit area. Let's take a walk back. Okay, so we're going to hit all this along here and clean all this up. We got a paver deck back here. Get all that cleaned up. Down along this side. Hey, at least we're working in the shade today. We got this fire pit area over here. It's a nice little area. It's right on the river. We got this boat dock. Get all this cleaned up. Not too bad. Looks like that side over there is probably the worst. But, all right. Let's get going. Okay, we're all done here. Let's take a walk back and see what it looks like. Yeah, all this came up really nice. Yep. Pavers. All nice and clean. Those plants out. The dock came out really good. This Trex dock. Yep, all looks good now. No more green. All right. All this is the fire pit. Very nice. Okay. Well, another satisfied customer. We're off to third job now. We'll see you there. Hey, please remember, if you're finding these videos useful or you're liking them, please hit the subscribe button down below. It helps our channel grow and gives us some idea. Any other videos you'd like to see, make a comment in the comments below and we will try to get them done for you. Anyway, it's a hot one here, so we'll talk to you later.